In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional product page that makes it easy for customers to understand what your ebook offers and buy it with confidence. First, open the Shopify website and head into your admin dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click on Products. This is where all of your items live and where you'll create a new listing specifically for your ebook. Next, click Add Product to start a fresh product page. Begin with the title. Make it clear, specific, and easy to search for. Include the topic and format so shoppers know exactly what they're getting. For example, adding ebook in the title can help set the right expectation. Keep it concise but descriptive and avoid jargon that might confuse readers. Now, move to the description. This is your chance to sell the value. Explain who the ebook is for, what problem it solves, and what the reader will gain. A short overview followed by a few compelling details works well. You can mention the length, the main sections or chapters, and any bonuses like worksheets or checklists. Use short paragraphs and plain language to make it easy to skim. If you've got testimonials or notable credentials, summarize them briefly to build trust. On the media section, add visual elements. Upload your ebook cover and any supporting graphics, like a mock-up or a couple of sample pages. Good visuals help customers imagine the product even though it's digital. Use clean, high-resolution images and make the cover the first image so it shows up prominently. Keep the style consistent with your brand for a polished look. Next, enter a competitive price for your ebook. Take a moment to think about the perceived value, your target audience, and the prices of similar titles in your niche. Choose a price point that feels fair and signals quality. If you plan promotions later, you can always adjust, but start with a number you're comfortable standing behind. In the category or product type section, select ebook. This helps keep your catalog organized and improves browsing and filters on your store, making it easier for shoppers to find digital items quickly. Once everything looks good, click Save. Before you do, scan your title, description, images, and price to make sure they're consistent and accurate. Saving will create your product page, and you'll be ready to continue refining your storefront as needed. That's it. Your ebook listing is set up on Shopify and ready to engage customers.